Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today we're going to make a spinach curry that is a favorite in our household. For this recipe you need 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of dhana jeeru powder, salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, and optionally a chili if you like it spicy. Of course, you also will need a bunch of spinach. The first step is to remove the stems from the spinach and give it a thorough wash. This will remove all the sand and debris from the spinach. Now give it a rough chop and set aside. Next, you want to dice the onion. I use a mandolin for dicing, but if you don't have one, you can dice it by hand. I'll show you both methods. You can see that the mandolin gives a finer dice, but both work fine for this recipe. You also need to puree the tomato. I use a small blender, but if you don't have one, you can dice the tomato finely. Now let's get to cooking. Use a pot over medium heat and add the oil, the onions, and the chili. Fry the onion until they turn to a golden brown, about 10 to 12 minutes. Once the onion is ready, add the pureed or diced tomatoes, the garlic, all the spices, and your tomato paste. Give it a nice stir and fry for about 2 more minutes. Then add the spinach and mix until it's fairly well combined. This is my daughter's favorite part. She loves the stirring part. And so she will always come in and help at this stage. Once the spinach is now cooked down a bit, add half a cup of water, cover the pot, and cook it for another 10 minutes. Then turn the flame on low and continue cooking for an additional 10 to 15 minutes until most of the water has evaporated. Remove the lid, mix, and serve. And there you have it, our family favorite spinach curry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more of our favorite recipes. Bye!